Now, electric field due to two positive or two negative or one positive, one negative charge, parallel charge. Now, here, uh, now we'll discuss about electric field due to two parallel charge seat. Electric field due to two parallel charge seat. Now, two parallel charge seat. Now, these two parallel charge seat maybe have a three cases. Three cases. What? These are the parallel charge seat. Okay. Both are positively charged. Both are positively charged and have a different charge. One positive, one negative. What is this? Sigma 1. Seat have a charge density, not charge. So if both the seat have positive charge density but different charge density, here both the seat have same charge density but different charge, sign are different. Okay. Or another case, both the seat have a positive or negative with different, with same charge density. Three cases may be arise. So here we will discuss only one case, and on the basis of that case we can find another case. Suppose we have a two seat, that is seat 1 and that is seat 2, and this is positively charged seat, and this is also a positively charged seat. Both the seat have a positively charged seat, but why seat 1, seat 2? Because they have different charge density. Seat 1 has a charge density sigma 1 and seat 2 has a charge density sigma 2. And here we have to find the electric field. There are three possible regions are there. This is region first, extremely left from both the seat. This is region second, in between the seat, and this is region third, extremely right of the. So as you know that wherever we want to find the electric field, what we assume? We assume a test charge, and test charge must be small and positive. So suppose here if we assume test charge, then this first seat will repel this charge. So this is the direction of electric field due to first seat. Second seat also repel this charge. So this is also direction of electric field due to second seat. Okay. Now suppose here in the second region we assume again test charge. this seat is repel this seat, this charge. So this is what E1. This seat is also repel this charge. So repel this charge means this is direction of E2. Now try to understand why the direction of E1 is like that. Because this is E1 is the electric field due to seat 1, and seat 1 will repel this charge, and this is electric field due to seat 2, and this seat will repel this charge. Okay, and in the third region same way, this first seat repel this charge. So this is what E1. This second seat also repel this charge. So this is E2. So this is the direction of electric field. Okay. Now, if we want to find the electric field in region first. So this is the region first. Both the field are in same direction. Suppose there is a unit vector which is directed from seat 1 to seat 2. Now, since electric field is a vector quantity, so we need to have a unit vector which gives the direction. So suppose I have a unit vector R which is directed from seat 1 to seat 2. So now in region first, what is the electric field? E1 is equals to sigma 1 upon 2 epsilon naught, which we have already studied in previous class. Electric field due to a infinite plane seat. Okay, so this is the electric field, and if we mark as a vector quantity, so obviously we need to have a direction vector. So this is the unit vector, and what is the direction of unit vector? Seat 1 to seat 2. And what is the direction of electric field? This way. Direction of unit vector this way. Both are opposite, so here negative sign will come out. Okay, similarly E2 in the same direction is equals to minus sigma 2 epsilon naught R cap. Okay, so hence net field is equals to E is equals to E1 plus E2. Since both are the vector quantity, so we have to add it vectorly. So minus, we can take a minus common because in both the electric field minus sign is there, and 2 epsilon naught is there. So 1 upon R cap is also there. 2 epsilon naught will come common, and sigma 1 plus sigma 2 will come out. Okay, so this is a vector form. In magnitude, suppose in magnitude, so R cap will not there, only sigma 1 plus sigma 2 upon 2 epsilon naught. So this is in region first. In region second, now see, in second region both the field are in opposite direction. So what is the E1? E1 is equals to sigma 1 upon 2 epsilon naught, and see the direction of E1 is in the direction of R cap. So R cap, so here no need to put negative sign, and here E2 is equals to sigma 2 upon 2 epsilon naught R cap. Now see, the direction of E2 is opposite to the R cap, So here negative sign will be there. Now net field, what is the net field? E1 plus E2 again. So what is r cap 2 epsilon naught are common, sigma 1 minus sigma 2. If both sigma 1 and sigma 2 will equal, then it becomes 0. Okay, equal, that is a case. Okay, that is a case. So with the help of this concept, you can analyze any of these three cases. Okay, so and in region 3, same as first region, both the side, but the electric direction of electric field is in the direction of direction vector r cap. So here both the field are in left direction, which is opposite to the r cap, and here both the field are in right direction, which is in direction of r cap. So in first case negative sign will be there, but in third case same data will be there but with positive sign. So what is this? R cap upon 2 epsilon naught sigma 1 plus sigma 2. So this is a case, and with the help of this you can analyze all these three cases.